Hi everyone, it's Asuka here. In this video, I will show you how to make glass nails, a variation on the popular Baccarat nails. This design with its neatly arranged thin lines that sparkle and shine like a glass is an evolution of the Baccarat nail design. The level of difficulty is a little high, but if you use just one of the 5 fingers as a point of reference, you can create a gorgeous finish. So please watch until the end. Okay, let's get started. This time, I will apply it to the nail tips, but if you want to apply it directly to your own nails, start with nail care, lightly file the nail surface, remove oil with ethanol, and then apply a base coat and cure with a light. First, let's apply the base color. Here we will use this magnetic gel. Spread this magnetic gel over the entire nail. When you have finished painting the entire nail without curing, apply the magnet to the nail and gather the glitter particles in the center. Slowly move it closer to the nail and twist it toward the nail. In this way, the sparkles are now on the left side of the nail. In the same way, apply the magnet around the nail. Also, please check this video for the basic usage of magnetic gel. When the entire nail becomes glittery like this, cure it. Normally, 2 coats of magnetic gel is the basic method, but since we want to leave a translucent glass-like appearance, we will proceed to the next step without applying 2 coats this time. Now, spread the non-white matte coat over the entire nail. If we finish the surface first, we will not have to apply a top coat after we finish the glass pattern. It is also recommended that a matte coat be applied to make the glass pattern stand out even more. After painting the entire surface, cure it. Next, we will draw the glass pattern. Use a very thin line brush and icing gel. If you do not have icing gel, you can use hard gel or art gel. Now, take the icing gel and draw the glass pattern. First, draw a curved line in the middle of the nail. After taking a small amount of gel, place the tip of the brush at the base of the nail and move the brush slowly. After drawing one line, put it under a light for 2 to 3 seconds to prevent the gel from dripping and make it temporarily stop. Next, draw the same line on the right side of this line with just a little space in between. The trick to drawing this glass nail is to draw thin lines. Baccarat nails, which have recently become popular, are drawn with thicker, 3-dimensional straight lines. But the beauty of these nails stands out by drawing them with super thin lines. So use a thinner brush and use this gel to draw the lines. When you have finished drawing to the right end, draw the same lines on the left side. To give this side a different look, draw a line from the side of the nail to the curve you just drew. On the remaining lower left side, draw same curve. When you have finished drawing the entire nail, place the nail under the light for the time specified on the gel and let it fully cure. Finally, wipe off any sticky uncured gel remaining on the icing gel. Wipe it off with kitchen paper moistened with ethanol. You can also use a special gel cleaner. This completes the process. The design looks like a glass with the glittery fine lines of the magnetic gel neatly arranged in a pattern. How did you like the glass nails? It is a more delicate and difficult design than the baccarat nail, but just by using one of the 5 fingers as a point of reference, you can create a gorgeous finish. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, please hit the like button. And if you like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. See you soon. Bye.